The term SAM Fox was originally part of an aircraft call sign designating Special Air Missions Foreign, abbreviated SAM Fox. When combined with an aircraft's tail number, the call sign differentiated VIP missions from other military and civilian flights. Today, the term has special significance, symbolizing an attitude of extraordinary professionalism and dedication, making perfection a SAM Fox standard set forth by the 89th Airlift Wing personnel. Known mostly for worldwide transportation of the President of the United States, the 89th Airlift Wing is also responsible for airlift of the Vice President, the First Lady, cabinet members, combatant commanders, and other senior military and elected leaders, providing them with logistics, aerial port services, and global air-to-ground communication. Because missions require intense planning, coordination, and a heightened level of security with zero tolerance for errors, the 89th is comprised of only highly experienced airmen. The 89th Airlift Wing enables national interest through safe, comfortable, reliable, connected, and protected global transportation and support for senior leaders. The 89th Airlift Wing is comprised of 4 groups: airlift support, maintenance, operations, and presidential airlift. The 89th Airlift Support Group consists of 373 military and civilian personnel in 2 squadrons, the 89th Aerial Port Squadron and the 89th Communications Squadron. The 89th Aerial Port Squadron provides aerial port services for all aircraft in and out of Joint Base Andrews, as well as processing all passengers, luggage, and air cargo. They also provide around-the-clock air transportation for the world's most senior leaders. They are the most visible aerial port unit in the Air Force, and one of the busiest in the continental United States. The 89th Communications Squadron provides global command and control communication support to the President and other senior leaders. Other responsibilities include maintaining and operating the Andrews Network Control Station and the Government Network Operations Center, connecting a global high-frequency radio system and enabling critical command and control communication while airborne. The 89th Maintenance Group is responsible for maintaining the Wing's Special Air Mission aircraft and roll-on roll-off assets, with a combined value at more than $780 million. The Maintenance Operations Center coordinates sortie and maintenance production, while monitoring the execution of daily flying and maintenance schedules. The Flying Crew Chief section maintains the C-32 and C-40 while on missions off-station. They also maintain the roll-on roll-off section for Special Airlift Program assets. DynCorp International, with contracting officer representative oversight, is the civilian counterpart responsible for the flight line and alert maintenance. Contract logistics support supply for Boeing and Gulfstream aircraft, as well as assist with technical representative support. The 89th Operations Group provides airlift known as Special Air Missions to our nation's highest civilian and military leaders. Executing the critical flying mission of the Operations Group requires highly skilled, experienced, and motivated personnel. Pilots require a minimum of 2,500 flying hours and must be qualified as an instructor pilot in a major weapons system. The skilled flight engineers and communication system operators have an average of 11 years experience. Flight attendants, in addition to being skilled chefs, are experts in emergency procedures, customs regulations, and selected from all Air Force specialties. The 89th Operations Group operates some of the most advanced commercial-based aircraft in the world. From President Truman's Sacred Cow to the VC-25, the SAM Fox team has been a part of some of the most historic events in our nation's history. President Johnson swearing in after President Kennedy's assassination, President Nixon becoming the first U.S. president to visit China, President Reagan's visit to Berlin, the return of the American hostages from Iran, POWs from the Gulf War. At the 89th Airlift Wing, we're making history on every mission we fly.